It's happening again. Automakers are bringing back legendary names from the past. And among all the retro revivals we've seen lately, one name is stirring up more buzz than most: the Ford Excursion. If you remember this behemoth from the early 2000s, you'll know it wasn't just an SUV, it was a rolling fortress on wheels. Originally launched in 1999 and discontinued in 2006, the Excursion was a titan among SUVs. Built on the bones of the F-250 Super Duty, it was unapologetically large and outrageously capable. Now, nearly 2 decades later, rumors are swirling about a 2026 comeback, and the hype is real. While Ford hasn't confirmed anything officially, sources suggest that if the Excursion does return, it'll double down on what made the original iconic: sheer size and muscle. Expect a massive footprint, possibly even bigger than the current Expedition Max. With the Suburban pushing the envelope, Ford might respond with a wheelbase exceeding 137 inches, just like the old-school Excursion. Under the hood, don't expect mild manners. Rumors suggest the base engine could be the robust 7.3-liter V8, delivering around 430 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. But for those craving serious torque, a 6.6-liter turbo diesel could also be on the table, boasting a mind-blowing 1050 lb-ft of twist. That's not just SUV power, it's heavy-duty truck territory. And speaking of trucks, the new Excursion will likely borrow heavily from the F-Series in terms of design. Think bold grille, squared-off proportions, and rugged lines that scream capability. Inside, we're expecting a cabin that matches its exterior size, with seating for up to 8 adults and cargo space north of 150 cubic feet. That's more room than some New York apartments. On the tech side, expect a dashboard resembling the F-250, but with more upscale finishes and modern touches, larger screens, premium materials, and advanced safety systems. Ford knows today's SUV buyers want more than just muscle, they want brains too. Now, here's the catch: Ford hasn't confirmed anything. But if this mammoth does make it into production, don't expect it to come cheap. Early estimates suggest a starting price around $70,000. And for a vehicle this large and capable, that might just be worth it. So, is the Excursion revival a dream or a plan in motion? Time will tell. But one thing's for sure, if it hits the streets, it'll be one of the most commanding SUVs we've seen in years.